Hey everyone! Today we're talking about present continuous. Present continuous is used in three main ways. When you want to talk about actions that are happening right now, actions that are temporary, or future plans.
First, let's review how to form present continuous. You need three things: subject, be verb, and main verb with ing. Remember this every time you use present continuous.
I am drinking coffee.
¿Dónde está la biblioteca?
We are learning Spanish this semester. They are having a party on Saturday. The first way we use present continuous in real-life conversations is for actions happening right now.
I am speaking English.
Or, you are watching this video.
Let's look at some more examples. I am listening to music. She is studying for her exam.
They are playing soccer in the park. Remember, if it's happening right now, use present continuous.
The second way to use present continuous is for temporary actions or situations. These are things happening now, but not at this exact moment.
For example, I'm staying at my friend's house this week. It's temporary, not forever.
Or, he is working on a new project. It's just for now, not his permanent job.
Here are a few more examples.
My brother is using my car today.
She is living in New York for a few months. We are saving money to buy a house.
Temporary situations can last for days, weeks, or even months, but they're not permanent, and they don't have to be at this exact moment.
Finally, we use present continuous for future plans and arrangements that are already decided.
I am meeting my friend tomorrow.
We are going to Hawaii next winter. Did you see that the plans are already decided?
Let's look at a few more examples. I am going to the dentist at 3 p.m.
They are visiting their parents next weekend.
When are you starting your new job?
I'm starting on Monday. These are all things that are arranged or planned in the near future.
Remember the three most common ways we use present continuous. Actions happening right now, temporary actions or situations, future plans and arrangements.
Try to use present continuous in your next conversation. It's a great way to talk about what's happening now and your future plans.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to English Panda for more English lessons.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye!